Hey, all my good foot steppers. Hope y'all enjoying these holidays. I know y'all. We're getting ready for New Year's Eve, so all y'all that got my packages, whether you got the for free or you got the big deal or the bigger deal, study them suckers, because you know good and well the holiday we got New Year's Eve coming up, so you want to be flashy, you want to be classy, don't want to be trashy. You want to get out there because you've been watching the videos and you're like, hey, I'm going to go out there. I can't wait to show off these moves. I got my little stepping things. Now, in the new year, we're going to be doing Zoom meetings. So click the link down below for anybody that's interested in Zoom meetings, meaning that I'm going to zoom on in to your crib and we're going to do this together. One love, like Josh said, and all them good guys. So once again, my fellow steppers, I know y'all getting this. Y'all loving this dance like I love it. I get a tingle sometimes just from out there on that floor. Ooh, it's a beautiful feeling. It's a beautiful thing. Out there doing your thing. Out there, goodfootsteppers.com. Get your friends at me. Link the link and click the link down below. Remember, y'all, we're trying to get this Zoom thing going. So anybody that's interested, give me your name, email, all that good stuff, so we can get that part going, you know. Plus, I want to thank y'all for those that like my videos. We got some more videos coming out, y'all. We got that Zoom thing going on, and happy holidays. And happy holidays to everyone. I'm going to confab a little bit more with y'all next year. We're going to tighten up the game. I'm not going to lighten up, I'm going to tighten up. Because we all want to get this dance. Happy holidays. Good foot steppers.